VT Seva Atlanta youths enthusiastically participated in Birdhouse Feeding Project on February 24, 2024. VT Seva is a non-profit organization with branches in more than 25 cities in US. More than 60 Atlanta youths of all age groups participated and enjoyed painting birdhouses. Inspiration and motivation are like a pair of wings that can fly us anywhere. We raised $500, which is donated for the food for the blind and visually challenged Netra Vidyalaya students of Bharat. We are very thankful for this great opportunity. This is just a beginning. Our wings of inspiration will never stop pushing us to the new heights.